Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk nails. More specifically, press-on nails that might just change the game when it comes to effortless, salon-worthy nails at home. Today, we're diving into the imPRESS press-on nails in the Welcome to Shiz color. If you've been on the hunt for a super easy way to add some glam to your fingertips without the mess of polish or the expense of a salon visit, stick with me because these press-ons are certainly making a name for themselves. The imPRESS press-on nails come with everything you need for a flawless application. You get the nails, a cuticle stick, a nail file, and a primer. It's a complete kit, which is great if you want to achieve a clean, professional look without a whole lot of hassle. Now let's get into the details. These nails are made of gel, so they offer a high shine, flexible, and durable finish. The material makes them feel surprisingly comfortable compared to some other press-ons that can feel a little stiff or overly thick. The Welcome to Shiz color is a bold, rich shade with a bit of sparkle, making it a great option for anyone who loves a bit of bling but doesn't want to go overboard. It's versatile enough for a night out, but still sleek for a day at the office. As far as application goes, I'll be honest, it's pretty straightforward. The kit comes with a primer that preps your nails, ensuring a strong bond between your natural nail and the press-on. The adhesive is strong, but not overly aggressive. You won't need any messy glue, just peel off the backing and stick the nails on. I found it easy to work with, and the fit was surprisingly accurate. Plus, there's the added benefit of the included cuticle stick to gently press down the nails once they're in place, ensuring a smooth, flush finish. Now, what about real-world testing? I wore these for about a week, and I can confidently say that the wear was impressive. These nails stayed on through daily tasks, washing dishes, typing, even a quick workout session, and the shine didn't dull. They definitely passed the durability test. The gel material flexes just enough to move with your nails, so it didn't feel like I had foreign objects stuck to my fingertips, which is a common issue with cheaper press-ons. On the downside, I will say that the sizing might not be perfect for everyone. While I found a good match for my nails, I can see how someone with larger or smaller nails might have to make some adjustments. The file included is fine for light reshaping, but it might not be enough if you want a custom fit for every single nail. Now, let's break it down. Pros: simple and quick application, no glue needed. Comfortable gel material that's flexible and durable. Long-lasting with minimal wear and tear over a week of use. Complete kit with cuticle stick, primer, and file for a professional finish. Cons: sizing might not be ideal for everyone. Some may need to adjust or trim nails. While durable, you may need to be mindful of the edges if they start to lift. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the imPRESS press-on nails are priced pretty fairly for what they deliver. You're getting a full kit with everything you need, and the longevity of these nails makes them worth the investment if you want a long-lasting, at-home manicure without the salon price tag. Plus, they're reusable if you take good care of them. So, are they worth it? If you're someone who wants an easy, no-mess manicure that won't chip after a few days, these nails are a solid choice. They're great for last-minute events, busy people who can't make it to a salon, or anyone who just wants a quick way to glam up their look. If you're a stickler for a perfect custom fit, or want absolute precision in every nail, you might have to do some tweaking. If you're on a budget, there are similar alternatives that might be cheaper, but might not offer the same gel quality or longevity. However, if you value a durable, flexible, and shiny press-on nail that you can apply at home with minimal effort, then the imPRESS press-on nails in Welcome to Shiz is certainly a product to consider. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.